How do you make a woman want you even when she seems totally uninterested? Hi, I'm Lauren, and today we're looking into something most men never really learn. You know that moment when you're talking to a woman who seems great, but you just can't feel her interest. You try being nice, you try paying attention, but the more effort you put in, the more distant she seems to get. What most men don't realize is this: you're probably not doing the wrong things. You're just doing the right things in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't grow the way logic does. Today I'll share 7 mental triggers that actually build desire. And fair warning, the last one is extremely powerful. It can change everything quickly, and almost nobody uses it the right way. Before we go further, you need to hear this clearly. This was never your fault. Nobody taught you this growing up. School never explained it. Society never explained it. A woman's attraction isn't based on logic. It's based on emotion. While you were trying to prove you'd make a good partner using words and reasoning, her deeper mind was picking up on completely different signals without you even knowing it. Studies on human behavior show that attraction often comes from mental shortcuts, deep patterns the brain reacts to automatically. Once you understand them, you stop chasing. You stop forcing things. You naturally become the kind of man women want to chase instead. Let's start with the first trigger: strong presence. This isn't about muscles or looks, it's about energy. When you walk into a room, do you take up space or do you quietly shrink back? Women notice this within seconds. A man who moves calmly, who isn't in a rush, who doesn't search faces looking for approval, sends a strong message without saying a word. He shows his worth just by how he carries himself. That kind of calm energy is rare, and rare things create attraction faster than words ever could. Picture yourself at a bar or party. Instead of nervously scanning the room, you relax, your shoulders stay back, your breathing slows down, you watch things calmly without worry. That small shift changes how women see you. Her instincts pick up on it. She feels something different, not because you tried harder, but because you became more grounded. The second trigger is light emotional pushback. Most men agree with everything a woman says. They're afraid of tension, but tension isn't the same as conflict. It's fuel for attraction. When you playfully disagree or tease a little, you create contrast, and contrast creates pull. For example, she says she loves waking up early. Instead of agreeing, you smile and say, "Really? You look more like someone who hits snooze a dozen times." It's playful, not mean. That small pushback shows confidence. You're not afraid to speak your mind. You're not trying to impress her. You're just engaging with her, and that creates a spark. Attraction needs contrast, not constant agreement. If this is making sense so far, hit the like button. It helps more men learn what they were never taught. The third trigger is selective attention. This is where many men lose their edge. They give too much attention too fast, instant replies, cancelling other plans, being available all the time. A woman's mind reads this as low value. A man with other options isn't always free. You need to be interesting, but also interested in things beyond her. Having a purpose is attractive. When you have hobbies, goals, friendships, and direction, your time becomes valuable. You stop circling around her world. That makes her curious. She's drawn to a man who has a full life, not someone who drops everything just for her attention. Scarcity sparks interest. This isn't a game, just balance. The fourth trigger is attentive listening, not just hearing her words, but remembering what they meant. When you recall small details she mentioned casually and bring them up later, you stand out right away. Emotional connection grows when someone feels truly seen. For example, she mentions loving orchids. A few days later, you send her a photo of one you saw and say it reminded you of her. That kind of attention is powerful. It shows presence. It shows you care. And care combined with strength is deeply attractive. This builds emotional connection faster than any compliment ever could. The fifth trigger is balanced openness. Many men think they have to seem unbreakable, but women don't connect with perfection. They connect with honesty shared with confidence. When you open up about something real, a past struggle or fear, without playing the victim, you become relatable, human, grounded. Openness paired with stability builds trust, and trust opens the door to desire. Strength isn't about hiding your flaws, it's about being comfortable with them. The sixth trigger is gradual physical touch. Science shows that light, respectful touch releases oxytocin, the hormone tied to bonding. A brief touch on the arm while laughing, a gentle shoulder brush while walking, nothing forced, nothing rushed. These small moments create a positive physical connection. Her mind starts linking your presence with comfort and warmth. This kind of depth is exactly what I cover in my full guide, Attraction Secrets. It goes beyond theory into real-life practice. And now the final trigger, the most powerful one, controlled unpredictability. The brain loves dopamine, and dopamine comes from rewarding uncertainty. When you're slightly unpredictable, you become fascinating. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or unreliable. It means balance. Sometimes warm, sometimes a little challenging. Sometimes you reach out first, sometimes you wait. You keep a sense of mystery, and mystery keeps her thinking about you even when you're not around. Now you have real tools, not tricks. Use them with respect. Use them with intention. You don't need to be perfect, you need a strategy. And now you have one.